Hi there, I'm Julia Alberga and I will be your trainer for this course, Facilitating Creative Sessions. I'm a design consultant and researcher myself, working for over 9 years now in the service design field and mainly for the public sector. This workshop, 2-day course actually, quite extensive, is all about facilitating creative sessions and to really learn the skills as a facilitator to guide the group throughout the entire setup. So that can either be a total design sprint or just a brainstorm or like a creative meetup. So it's not really focused on one tool specifically, but more on what you need as a facilitator, what soft skills, but also what kind of feedback forms you have to being able to see what's underneath the surface and what your participants need in order to move forward. And since I'm a huge fan on Learn by Doing, we'll be going through the 2 days by actually going through a specific case, and it's built up on the double diamond model. So we go through each phase and I will be explaining some theory behind every phase, like what kind of tools you can use, but also through what kind of stages your participant probably go and what kind of pitfalls they have, what kind of doubts they will be having, like what is important in that specific case that you need to know as a facilitator in order to guide them smoothly through that phase. So after explaining that specific theory behind that phase, I will be giving you an assignment with a specific tool so you can actually practice with that tool of being a facilitator, because I think practice makes perfect, and in the end you want to be able to guide participants through a creative session and actually be a facilitator. So like I said, learn by doing, so you will be getting a lot of practice, practicing on each other with the other participants there during this 2-day course. And after each assignment, we will also be giving feedback to each other and reflecting on the things that came out or that worked really well, or some things that you want to practice even more. And at the end of this 2-day course, you will have all the skills and abilities to really set up an entire creative session. So not only will you have the skills and knowledge to do so, but you can also really make it practical. So you can make a script for an entire creative session, and we will also be doing that together. And at the last day, I will actually bring in some real participants for your creative session, and you will be you will get all the practice out there and really facilitate that group of people. So you will actually know how it feels to facilitate a group of participants. So all that is left for me to say is that I would love to see you back here in Amsterdam or at one of our other locations in Europe. And we have up to place for up to 15 to 20 people. And like I said, it's a live 2-day course. Maybe in the future we will also run an online version, but for now it is a live one. So that's pretty cool. We haven't done that for quite a long time within the SDN. So sign up now and I will see you there. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me through LinkedIn or within the SDN Academy. You can also email me, and I would love to see you there. Bye bye.